Remekap da chu ikamata ya paubing. Yang pokpi du Fins Corner Shongfuk sem man masam kapang subcontractors ping na ot kasa thing kami haupokaira. Sorapung Village Council na DNL President li mangshik marakaji ngawawaira. Lekhyang Thor Achita Tangkhul Express Pau Thangmeiring Chodang in a pamid lay, Bobbing Misaina Nang Rumsa. Yang Pokpi du Fins Corner we 2-lane Chongfuk Assembly, Ot Samik High subcontractors Pingni, Paisa Miran, Makami Wivang Shorkali Ngakaulala, Matai Kami Wivang, Ot Kasa, Tingmi Pokaira. Atumna Sampangran Maramji, Manipur Chief Minister and Work Minister na Kayang Sang Mikwai, Shongfu Earthwork Assem, Chui Subcontractors Association na Kangakau Sala, Chui Memorandum Ajahon Direction Tang Misanghaina. National Highway 202 Yang Pokpi to Fins Corner Subcontractors Association na CM Aina Work Minister Le Kapi Kavalik Hang, Rida Maya Kangrok Leiping Hailala, Ot Samik Highway Miran Paisa Mamitu Kala, Earthwork Sag High Machine Kangakot Chili Atumna Work Execute Sag High Atishuda Masatua. Kala atumna samira kaji ot saku phauda fixed deposit misang high ka sajila hanmi kwai polala miyang sang mitura da subcontractors ping china hanga maramji achiwi tarik tharada khaniwe alungde matharmiaka association china shongfu chiwi ongoing work cycle kami haurada hangmathin hairakasana itumna thaibai National Highway 202 Yangang Pokpi to Fins Corner Subcontractors Association ena MS Maitram Construction Private Limited we alungli maya khangrok khalaya tishura construction company china Subcontractors Association ni shanan paisa ji 2022 July marang tarik thumrada akawe alungli mikaran gichina company china paisa ji atam chada Mashan Miyaka company chui construction akap akai equipments machineries properties katha your shock the payable amount chi subcontractors association na ngatang khiranu da ta haidale anishui miya khangrok chi 2022 July marang tarik thruk thang shoi ksana hangda kalehi Yangang Pokpi to Fins Corner section 0.00 km to 16.90 km kala 16.90 to 30.97 km wili 2-lane earthen shoulder aining soda mashagasang shemgasang ot ngurotbi project na Mia Khangrok Kapitchi National Highway 202 Yangang Pokpi to Fins Corner Subcontractors Association we Mingning Convener Mingyao Rivanao Kala General Secretary Rungshing Asaiwo Kala MS Maitram Construction Private Limited we Mingning Managing Director Maitram Chotindro Singh Aina Director Sanasham Sanda Singh Atumna Shoik Sali Tsanga Association Jiwi Mingning na kahang Shongfu Jiwi Earthwork chi 2021 March li Kupsang Haina Chili Koilas la Rahaila Ka Ari Aina Tangda Paisa Mamirang Gachina Subcontractors Pingchina Atam Migahai Ajahon Director da Kaniwe Alungli Paisa ji Mutar mi to the company chui ot kasa Saikura Association china thingmi phokhaira da pau mishoka Subcontractor Association china Varaha Infra Limited we offices Saikura kacha came number 1 aina to shungmi haira kala ongoing work Saikura kami haira atum witiman kasa je mamirang laga aina tangda ot kasa khamara da hangaira Sorapung Village Council na Tangkhul Nagalong President li cooperate masamra kajing wawhaira. Sorapung Village Council Chairman Melipa Lasuna Pongshok Atishura Kerchiwi Crown Situation Verify Masala DNL President na Village Council we Ot Kasali Shaigakut Administrative Order Mishokawa. Naga Customary Law John Kamakan Wivang 2018 Kum Hereditary Headman Yaringam Lasuli Kataina Shingahainajia. Lasuna Gahang Headman Chui Criminal Record Later Anticipatory Pale Aina Chuho Gahai Mina the Hangsanga. Kala Kerchui Gashokazang Yangsang Kawai Sorapung Village Assembly na Sorapung Village Council SVCG Semrada Tuita Katana the Hanga. Ka DNL President David K. Shimrena Sorapung Assembly we Tuitak Chile Kayamashila Sorapung Village Council Chi Malay Kawai Directive Order Mishoka Haina Chia. Chienang Soda Court Case withdraw Sak Viola Order Mia the Hanga. Case Chief Judicial Magistrate Ukraine Civil Willy Chatalei da hanga DNL Rian Atishuda Ramnopingna Maya Kaka Chairmanship Sembaira Gaji Zanga Ka Basis Kikamalela DNL President Sorapung Village Council Ngatan Sakavai Jizu Kamiji DNL Rian Li Mugshur Gala Pangshap Shijin Kangwina da Sorapung Village Council Chairman Jina Hangsanga Itum na Thaibai Sorapung Ramnopingna Ajawan January Tarau Tarik Magada Gatumtang Assembly Pumda DNL Katana David K. Shimrele Corporate Musamrada Tag Haina Kerjui Dudagle Gahapkala Kerjui Maramli Razang Bapa Kajui Wang DNL President Li Non Corporation Kangavana da Hanga Pawe Sanga Expressway Ena Kakwina Hongpong Pungrei Baptist Church with Women's Society and Christian Youth Society with Singkum Hangpanga Kaga Jubilee Kamyon Mapung Palak and Kupsang Haira. Glorify God Kajihina to Gisada Hongpong Pungrei Baptist with Women's Society and CYS with Golden Jubilee Kazip Ajahon Direct Trada Akatang Kazipokta Aya Kangatana. Jubilee Kamyon with Pilan M Lajunguna Kangami Kala Siem Paghauna Pilan Kangdamia. Kazip Chile Special Appearance Sada Kelili Music Institute Director K. Ungchan Pakmi Mahang Now Humpung Pumre Baptist Church Worship Team Delhi Tangkhul Church with Chanri Team Kala Harvest Team La Batsanga Pumre Church with Women's Society and Christian Youth Society with Zingum Ang Pangakaga Jubilee Kamyon Kazip Chile Delegates Shahni Hang Chikoda Pangakada Batsanga Kala Churches Hang Trukda Gatumna Wangarumda Jubilee Kamyon Chile Mi Tingkani Langda Kazip Taikuya Kazip Chiwi Food Catering Tia Caterer Nasami Ishi the Tangkhul Express na Media Partner Sami Kala Photography Chuimaran Shang na Cover Samia Pumra Baptist Church Women's Society and CYS Golden Jubilee Lucky Trog Sawi Kayuya number 0946 na Tahira 0946 Ungadami China Price Quickvai Church La CYS Office Li Bangating Baira Phone number 811-9946-866 Lila Ngahanba Bairada Makokmina Angjipundale Imphal Shong Mantripukri Aigar South na Makokmida Organic Farming Educational Tour Hapokahira. Tour Jui Flag in Ceremony Le Chief Minister N. Piran Singh Lavazanga. Tour Jile Sachik Tambak Pamwi Kanudhot Magazangda Atum Kakchingwi Ena Sikkim Le Organic Farming with Skill Training Zangkawai Bahira. N. Piran Singh na Masowa Sada Kamatuli Assam Rifle Le Sokangai Pongshoka. Assam Rifle na Sada Kleji Bobby Lui Juhong Sakta Luivat Apongate, Kurami Kavai Gasanada, Stately Nisha Ting Kavai Gasa, Kala Insurgency Operation Li Kangra, La Border, Muyon Kamili Assam Rifle na Ot Ngurut, Kuimida Clay Maram CM da Maya Kangai, La Ningshi Pongshoka. Ministry of Civil Aviation na Ude Deshka Am Nagrik Kasha Aina Udan Goho, Regional Connectivity Scheme Gashokwi, Aina Achirashung the airports, Hangshini Dagatum Operationalize Samihera. Udan Scheme 2016 kum October Tatraha Tarik Mugda Akatang Hapo Kamina. Regional Air Connectivity Matamik Vaigala Yarivang Air Travel Aman Tingshop Maikvai Udan Hi Market Travel Scheme Sada Ningasang Airlines Bing Natiman Atishuda Proposer Misang Laga Saga Quina. Shogar Wipao Atishuda Ajakum January Tarau Kajang Aina Tangda Unserved Maningaka Undeserved Airport Hangshini da Gatumwi Operation Hapok Mihera. Chile Heliports Chiko Kala Water Aerodromes Kani Zangajia. Udan hi ongoing scheme Sada Chui bidding rounds Adam Adamli Kwikaya. Udan hi self-financing scheme na Udan flights operation Wibang Ajakum Tarau Aina Tangda VGF amount lupa 2,355 crore Shika selected airlines operators Pingli Mishokhaira Dahanga. 2024 aina tangda unserved kala underserved airports Shakawi Operation Hapokvai Shogarna Miami Haina de Hanga. Itumi Aman Sakla Haya Tangkhul Ngishan Kavangukui Enang Soda Jot Kamayali Kangajon Pekar Connecting Hearts Through Culture the charity show Rumi Heram. The charity show je Ngatikri Gahai Gji Tuikuili Panda Kuikagida Kalei Miss Hunpun Lira 2023 Ling Shikda Ukru Culture and Tradition Promotion Society na Makokamina. Charity show Sada Ajahondang Miss Hunpun Lira 2023 contestant being na Ukru Down Holy Live Music and Food Ranye Rumihera. Ngalakang yan kala aruhan atamwe beauty pageant karung hina Tangkhul ngashan mishman kang sak promote kasali od ngurut kha ka khuya gji mukhok mi na hanga kala Ukru Culture and Tradition Promotion Society na ngashan promote la preserve kasar ranye khuiga ka jikwai ningrin khale anang soda Ukru cultural event khala leili ngchon mi gatomi khwai khangran kasana je Tangkhul ngashan le ka gatom od ngurut Khuiga kale ngchon mi khwai lupahi ya ka bomaning la ngashan promote kasa ningrin akhawe alungli ninga sangping na ije chawe ka shap mi khwai ka gathong na da khanga ngashan jiwe aman ka sak singdit khwai kasa ningrin alungli ajawon jangwe Miss Hunpun Lira 2023 ling shikta charity show rung khami china society chwe phekar khre khangasana da hanga rakra atam Wivang paning the itumui culture and tradition ni kagatom jitei kangai ping na Ukru Culture and Tradition Promotion Society we Punjab and Sindh Bank account number 109210000278888 IFSC code BSIBOO 21092 le miba pairam maram kupmai thei kangai ping na 919233592220 le ngahan ma pairam Charity chwe ena ungzang kai ka Miss Hunpun Lira 2023 pageant we kashokazang ot kasale shichin rada hanga Charity chwe akaya kasada lan aina maningla ot aina la kashan gachon blankets katha mikhangai bing la mibaya Yario odram khangatsu sara Miss Hunpun Lira contestant pingchina children homes pingli kashan gachon aina blankets yawara da leya Ajon thangla Miss Hunpun Lira 2023 ngahanli kazang lashio pingchina Eden Resource Center li yawada chili kale now shanau hangmati da mati aina atumai jishud maping aina motherly kharjan gasa sambangda mabung phala ka hai atam ngasai da hanga Miss Hunpun Lira 2023 pageant night rakra tarik thrada jishathang mission crown alungtang ni rungmira ranye chi ngazin pung thruk makhaili hapokra laluida achu ikhamthai apawping Yang pokpi du Fins Corner Shongfuk sem man masam kapang subcontractors ping na ot kasa thing kami hapokaira Sorapung Village Council na DNL President li mangshik marakaji ngawawaira Achu pau eling janghaira pau ngana da khlena thum sai korali ringapagala kamhaya zimishong sa serana